Superman's run it all, take it off, 5 o'clock. What come the rocks? Dirty socks, kitchen sink, bring it on, drink a drink it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. Rhythm and blues, sipping on gin and juice.
Hola gente, ¿cómo andan? ¿Cómo va eso? Bueno, va a haber poca voz en este video. Simplemente estamos viajando en dron desde la Lucila del Mar hasta el Castillo Duhau, que está entre medio de Aguas Verdes y la Lucila del Mar. Así que espero que lo disfruten, los dejo ver el video y los saludo al final.
Sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad, can't you see? I'm just being weak. I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you, I do. But sometimes I can't be there for me. Sometimes I can't be there, baby, can't you see? I'm just being me. Sometimes we're just colliding, and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we're just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay. We got unconditional love. Damn, I don't wanna be mad on you. No, I don't wanna be mad on things you do. But sometimes I need what's best for me. Sometimes I need what's best, baby, can't you see? Can't be there when you leave. No, no, no. Yes, I want you to be here for me. I want you to be here, don't disappear. Sometimes I need you strong for me. Sometimes I need you strong when I'm on my knees. Oh baby, please. baby, you and me, we meant to be. You don't question my love, you know it's there, and even if we don't agree, you know I care, 'cause baby, you and me, we meant to be. It's you and me, unconditional love. You and me, unconditional love. Sometimes we just colliding, and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be proved. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist and intense fire will take us higher than higher. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Can you feel the sunset? Tell me you do. Baby, I can't wait, begin. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in.
Bueno, muchas gracias por llegar hasta acá. No se olviden de dejar un like, compartirlo con amigos, suscribirse a aquellos que no están suscriptos, si les gusta, obviamente. Así que bueno, espero que hayan disfrutado. Nos vemos el próximo